Hello guys and welcome back in another video. So in today's video I will give you a little bit of a review and a tutorial on my working bench that I use for car detailing. So I'm using this Keter table. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I found it on Amazon and it cost me around $100. So yeah, I would say that the most impressive thing about this working bench is how easy it is to assemble it. So the first thing is, what do I use this working bench for? Mostly I use it for kind of just cleaning the carpets or floor mats of the car. I just kind of throw them onto the working bench and start vacuuming and with the cleaning process, extraction and stuff like this. So now I will show you how you assemble this. Okay, so when you pick up the table, you will hold it with this kind of red handles right here and right here on both sides. And then you will push these red pins on both sides to the outside, and the table, it will unfold itself. So I will demonstrate it. I just push them and it stands now by itself. Okay, so the second step is that you will kind of push these guys to the side like this, so they are straight up, and you will push the other one as well like this. And then where this handle is in the middle, you kind of just straighten it up like this, and you grab this whole thing and you just kind of, I hope that you will be able to see it, kind of slam it. So yeah, the table now has a support. And yeah guys, one thing that I really like about this table is how sturdy it is. This table is not going nowhere. So with this table you get also these tools, which I don't know how they are called in English. But yeah, you can use them for kind of that you grip your carpets in there and you dry them, but I don't really use that. So yeah, I just leave this inside here. And then you just grab your carpets, throw them onto the table, and you have your kind of working bench set up. And yeah guys, the same process is for unfolding the table. You just grab this middle bar, kind of yank it towards a bottom, then push this to the inside of the table like this, and then you kind of just pick it up. I will show you. So yeah, and then you kind of pick it up, you kind of just push this inside a little bit more, grab towards the black handles, and then you just put it on and it kind of folds itself. So yeah guys, once you have folded it, you will see that these two pins are now locked, and as well here is a big kind of red button that says locked on it. So yeah, that means that the table is now locked, and you kind of just can pick it up with this handle right here, the gray one, and you can kind of just walk away like this. And it's very kind of versatile as well. It's very compact, which I like about this table. It fits in my car just fine. So yeah guys, I hope that you enjoyed the review and the tutorial. And yeah, I really suggest you to invest in this kind of working bench. It will save you a lot of time and also kind of a lot of headache. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, it would mean a lot to me, and I will see you in another one. Bye.